If you have noticed some white or blue powdery stuff around the terminals of your car battery, that's corrosion. Battery corrosion can lead to starting problems in your vehicle. The buildup of corrosion increases electrical resistance, making it harder for the battery to deliver power, which may result in slow engine crank or no crank at all. But don't worry, cleaning up the battery corrosion is super simple, and you can do it with just a few household items. First, let's gather what you will need. You only need a few items: some baking soda, hot water, a small brush or an old toothbrush, a wrench, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. If you have safety glasses, that's a plus. We want to be cautious since we are dealing with the car battery. Before we get into the cleaning, make sure your car is turned off and the keys are out of the ignition. For extra safety, remove the negative battery terminal first using your wrench. This will prevent any accidental short circuiting. Now let's prepare the cleaning solution. Take a small container and add about a tablespoon of baking soda. Then slowly pour in some hot water, just enough to dissolve the baking soda and create a thin paste. Stir it up until it's well mixed. Now that our solution is ready, it's time to apply it to the corroded areas. Carefully pour or use your brush to apply the baking soda solution onto the corroded terminal. You will notice some bubbling action. That's the baking soda reacting with the corrosion, which helps to break it down. After the bubbling subsides, take your brush and gently scrub the corroded areas. The baking soda will make it easier to remove the corrosion, so just keep brushing until you have cleared away all the buildup. It should start looking much cleaner. It is recommended to remove the positive battery terminal as well for thorough cleaning. Once you have scrubbed off the corrosion, rinse the area with a little bit of clean hot water to wash away any remaining baking soda. Then use a clean rag or towel to dry the battery thoroughly. Now that everything is clean and dry, it's time to reconnect your battery. Start by reconnecting the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure the connections are snug but don't over-tighten them. And that's it. Your battery terminals are now free of corrosion and your car should be good to go. This simple maintenance can help prevent future issues and keep your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheelsJoint for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.